Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find out the real battery capacity of your iPhone in milliamp hours mAh. A lot of people check their battery health in settings, but that doesn't always show the full picture. And in some iPhones, that option is not even available. So today I'll show you how to check the true capacity of your iPhone battery and get other useful details like cycle count and design capacity. Alright, let's start with the easy method. If your iPhone supports viewing battery health directly, go to Settings, Battery Health and Charging. Here you'll see your maximum capacity as a percentage, for example 90% or 95%. This shows how much your battery has degraded compared to when it was brand new. But here is the thing, this percentage doesn't tell you your actual battery capacity in mAh. So if you want to know the real number, that's where the next method comes in. For all iPhones, including older ones, you can use a shortcut called iPhone Battery Shortcut. This shortcut reads your iPhone's internal analytics data and gives you a detailed report that includes the real battery capacity in mAh, the original design capacity, the cycle count. Here's how to do it step by step. Now open Safari and search for iPhone Battery Shortcut. Search for that shortcut and tap Add Shortcut to add it to your Shortcuts app. Now go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, then Analytics Data. Now tap on the most recent file that starts with analytics and ends with IPS-CA synced. It's usually the longer file, not the short one. That is the one containing your iPhone's full analytics data. Tap the share icon, then choose the iPhone battery shortcut you just added. After a few seconds, the shortcut will process the file and show you a full battery report, including your real battery capacity, design capacity, cycle count, and more. This information is extremely helpful if you want to know your battery's true condition. For example, if your current capacity in mAh is much lower than the original design capacity, that means your battery is wearing out and might need replacement soon. And the cycle count helps you understand how many full charge cycles your battery has gone through, which is great info if you're buying or selling a used iPhone. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your iPhone's real battery capacity and understand its health in detail, even if the battery health option doesn't appear in your settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.